Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this glue gun. My problem with this glue gun is that it takes around more than 10 minutes before it finally heats up and melt this glue stick. Okay, hopefully we can fix it. Let's check it. And let's just be careful because there is a spring in here. Okay, there's tons of glue that had already stuck in here. There is the spring. Okay, let's take this out. This is where you might struggle because the glue has hardened so much. This spring has been dislodged from this original place, which is this area. So we have to put it back, but first let's remove this. Okay, let's heat it up first so that we can remove all this glue. This is slowly heating up now. As you can see. Let's remove all those glue. I'm just cooling it down now before putting them back together. Okay, let's just wait for a while. Now I'm going to put this spring onto the edge of this rubber. Okay, just onto the edge so that it becomes easier for me to put it back. There is already a small crack on the rubber, so I hope this spring would help us prevent the leaking of the melted glue stick onto the side surface of this tube. Okay, this spring is connected in here on this part, and the other end is going to connect on this area, on this tab. So that is the function of the spring. But let me just put it underneath. Be sure to position this wire lock underneath this gun's handle. Okay, let's put back the screws. Okay, let's put the glue stick. Push it forward. Then let's try it. Okay, now it's heating up much faster in less than 2 minutes. Okay, that's it. I hope you like the idea. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.